All right, so for this project, what we're going to do is we're going to cold gun blue with Perma blue, Birchwood Casey. We're going to cold gun blue the blade, okay, of our Lawrence Wilson and Sons jungle machete. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mask off the edge, so we're going to leave that natural, and then we're going to blue the rest of the blade. Okay, so I think that will give it a nice, really nice effect, I'm hoping. Okay, so we got the masking tape on there. You want to use like a tool that's got like a smooth surface like this to really rub down the masking tape. Okay, make sure it's a good contact against the edge. Okay, try to avoid any of the bluing from sneaking underneath. Birchwood Casey Perma Blue, liquid gun blue. Okay, so this is for steel touch-up or complete reblue. Okay, so use this product several times before. I love it. Okay, and it's always given us a satisfactory result. You want to make sure you've got swabs. I like to use swabs. You can use a piece of clean cloth as well. Alright, that's probably on there for about a minute or so, so we're just going to hit that with some cold water just to neutralize it. Here we go. Like that. Alright, so we let that dry. Okay, so you can see that's the first go. We've got some inconsistencies here. That does happen on occasion. May have been some, even though we cleaned this very well with some brass wool and then degreaser and alcohol. We still got a couple spots here that look like maybe there was some type of grease, but the rest of it looks pretty good. The other side came out very good, except for this one spot, which is kind of sort of, well, no, it's in a different spot on the other side. But so we're gonna just hit that with a little bit of brass wool and apply a second coat. Okay, so we're going to apply the second coat, and hopefully that'll bring it all together. Alright, so we let that sit for about another minute. Now we're going to soak it down with some cold tap water to stop the process. Okay, we are back. We have a cold blued blade, World War II blade. breaking out a fresh piece of brass wool to hit that with. Okay, so just gonna hit that a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to remove the masking tape and see how it looks. The other side looks really good as well. Same thing on the curve. It seems like that's where it always ends up. You know, that's where all the tape overlaps. But that's an easy, very easy fix. Okay, to clean up these little spots of overlap, we're just taking a piece of 220. Alright, so at the point now, we're just going to reinstall our 1911 grips, US grips. Okay, if you saw our previous video, you'll see that we custom fit these to the jungle machete. Okay, so yeah, fun project. You should check out that video if you haven't already seen it. You'll see how we got these to fit. Alright, there we go. We've got the grip remounted. Looks great. We're just going to hit this with a little bit of oil. That's it. That's like a 30 weight oil. Nice and thick. Just going to put that on there. It's going to inhibit any rust. Alright, so I'm not going to have to worry about any rust grabbing a hold of this unit. Yep. This side a little bit. I really love the performance of this product. So we're not sponsored in any way by Birchwood Casey. I'm just telling you like it is. It's a great product. Gives you great results. And the price point on it is right on the mark. Alright, so that's it. This blade has been really brought back to a position and a prominence it deserved. Okay, it really deserved to look like this again. Look at that. Let me tell you something. That blade is sharp. So if you got any doubts about how sharp this blade is, I'm going to put them to rest right now. Okay, this thing is made for the jungle, so it's made to cut through vines. So I think a 2x3, a seasoned 2x3 is more than adequate. So let's see what we got here. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. We just finished that up. Yeah. So we used Perma Casey and Birchwood. Great product. I mean, look at the results here. I mean, come on. This came out fantastic in every sense of the word. All right, so check out our video on the restore or the refurb of this, I'm going to call it Project 1911 Jungle. All right, so it's perfect in my opinion with this, because we got a 1911 in 45 ACP. What's better than that? I mean, I don't know. Sweet or what? To me, that's a perfect compliment. Look at that blade. Thing's like a razor, too. I mean, a razor. There is not a jungle on this earth that would stop this sucker. I don't know. I know my opinion. You tell me what you think. Post it in the comments. The only thing I do regret is that I didn't have a second US 1911 grip. That would have been really cool, but they're both double diamond checkered. So, you know. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. Go out and get yourself some Birchwood Casey bluing. Have yourself some fun. Alright, and restore. Bring something from the past, something from our great history, American history, back to life, like we did here. Alright, thanks again for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to, and have a wonderful day.